Brown Bear, What Do You See? By Bill Martin Jr. and illustrated by Eric Carle. If you know this book, you can say it right along with me. It is a fun one. And Eric Carle does the collage type pictures. Do you remember? We've talked about that before. So he, it looks like he paints on different colors on different surfaces, and then he cuts it out, and then he puts it together to make a picture. And it is really cool. So if you'd like to do that sometime, it's really fun too. Okay, you can say it with me. Brown bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children, what do you see? My pages are sticking together. We see a brown bear, a red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep, a goldfish, and a teacher looking at us. That's what we see. I'm going to hold this picture up here so that you can see it. Later, you might want to go back to this scene so that you can see this page again, because you need to get your paper out that looks like this. And if you don't remember what all that color the animals were, then you need to look on that page, because the cat is purple and the goldfish is gold, obviously, kind of gold and orange, yellow-orange color. Frog is green, the duck is yellow, the bird is red, the sheep is black, the dog is white, so you don't have to color that one at all. Or maybe just his collar. His collar looks kind of a gold color on the picture over there. And the bear is brown. And the horse was blue. How cool. So when you get all done coloring them, then you want to cut right around on that line there. And then you want your mom or dad to help you punch a little hole right there. If you use a regular size paper punch, it might be a little bit too big. So maybe you could have your parents maybe use a knife or something. Careful, but it's your parents doing this, not you. You want to be very careful. So after you get a hole punched in all of them, then you want to take the blue cording like you have here, and you can put them on and put a few beads in between each one, and then you will have a necklace that has all the animals from Brown Bear. So use the beads and the cord. You want to put them all on the cord with the pictures in between, like a few beads and then a picture. And if you want to, you can see if you can make your beads into a pattern. Have fun.